Hello guys, welcome to my live stream. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on where you're watching me from, I'm happy to have you here. You're welcome. I was preparing this drink to drink, but I know um, I'm perceiving some orders down, some order that I don't understand. I can't do this. I can't drink that. Dun, 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 dun. So YouTube said we should be sipping. Thank you for joining, guys. Welcome. Where you watching me from? You're welcome to my live stream, and I'm happy to have you here. Having you here is just a great thing, and I wish to be having you here. And if you're new on my channel, you're welcome. If you are old, you're still welcome. And whosoever you are, everybody is a VIP on my YouTube live streaming. So when you join my live streaming, don't be thinking that, oh, I'm just coming here. So will they greet me special? Yes, I welcome you specially. Yeah, you see, you'll be asking what am I doing? I'm editing a video. That's what you see. I am on my system here editing a video. So that's what sometimes I'll be talking and my eyes will be facing this side or my face will be facing this side. That's to tell you that I am editing. And if you are new here, please like and share this video. Please tell somebody about this channel. Please invite your family and friends to come and join you on this great, wonderful YouTube channel. And like I always said, this YouTube channel is not just for only live streaming. Yeah, we do live streaming here, and we produce films on this channel. To Tunkuna Tunkona Paul Tukuna Paul Tukuna Paul. Am I right? Sorry if I don't call the name correctly, please. Sorry. Tukona Tukone Tukone Paul. Thank you for joining, and Major, well, you're welcome. I'm happy to have you guys here. Everybody that is here, you're all welcome. I really appreciate you. Thank you for your time, and thank you for taking your time to be here on my live streaming, and you are welcome. You are specially welcome to this live stream, and I am happy to have you guys here joining me. It's not easy to take your time and see somebody who is streaming and you don't even know the person's what the person does. So I really appreciate you guys. I'm editing a skit. So there's that. You're welcome, guys. Let me know where you're watching me from so that we can have a conversation. And sometimes when you come live like this and people are looking at you, you're just looking at them, nobody's talking to you. You're not talking to anybody. And sometimes you just look and then we talk. And if you're there, you talk, I talk. Even if you don't talk, I will still talk. Because I'm the one that is going to welcome you. So you are highly, highly, highly welcome. So you are my VIP.
She is buying this for Romina.
Sorry.
And I greet you guys especially.
See, my brother, she is inside Wallahi. She is inside, she is coming out and
And YouTube is just the best place to be when you have great people to interact with them, and then you have a nice time, you guys talk, and it's a beautiful place. So I'll finish this editing of this video on my phone. This is what I need to do. This one is how many minutes? All this video that I downloaded yesterday. I really want to drink this cocoa. This series is funny, man. I'm editing another video that I'm going to upload on YouTube here, so you guys get ready to watch. So this is a nice concept that I'm doing here on my platform. So I'm done with the episode 2. I'm going to work on the episode 3. I'm working on episode 2, so I'll go to episode 3 and then see what's going on. You're welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. So you guys will see what I'm doing. Hello, Mary. Mary, how are you? Mary Wambui. Mary Wambui. Are you from South Africa, Zimbabwe? Wambui. Wambui. You're welcome. Hello, Mary. How you doing? Yeah, welcome to my live streaming. Where are you watching me from? Which part of the world are you watching me from? You're welcome.
Stop saying all this. How can you say that we go and
Man, this girl is madly in love now. She's madly in love in this kid. So if you want to watch what I'm editing here, please you better subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that when I upload, you'll be the first person to watch. Guess what? I wish you would have many subscribers. Thank you very much, Mary Wambui. Thank you so much for that. I will have. Thank you so much. Where you watching me from? Mary Wambui. I hope I pronounce the name correctly.
See, we don't do that. Stop saying all this. We don't do that. Stop saying all this. How can you say that we go and do?
You're welcome.
Can't shake that.
Mary, are you a YouTuber?
Eyes that you are holding it. Okay, because how far? Like that, I don't have one. How far would you take before I counted 15? I want to see a fear is this. Take a lot of children with them. Now you will marry your sister. Now you will marry your sister. Why did you like this? I did follow your sister. I did follow your sister. I never follow this your brother. Hey, I did follow your sister. Okay, you are kidding. A man is with you. You are standing in front. Okay, but you don't want to get it out. You kill you there. You won't marry your sister. Okay, I did follow your sister. I did follow your sister. Leave that to me. Okay. Because if I ever see you around this area again,
They just took lights, so my light went off.
I am going to punch your leg, and if I go now and come back, and I still see you here. If I see you here, I didn't get checked enough.
Nigerian NEPA. Usman, Kabani, Nakudi Nene. It's on desktop. Skit. I am 20. Yeah. Where you streaming from? Where you watching me from? Mary? Mary Wambui, where you watching me from? Mary. Well, bro, I will support you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate you for you to say you're going to support me. Thank you so much. Thank you. So you're going to support me. Wow. Thank you. I just wish I know where you're watching me from.
Action.
So this skit I'm editing here, you guys are going to watch it, and if you subscribe on this channel, you're going to watch this skit. I'm going to drop one today, and I'll drop another one tomorrow.
What are you doing here? Just because I don't have sense, you are nonsense, you don't even have imagination. It's that nonsense, that sha won't gender, that doesn't even have a future. Where that is the message that you want to go and share with. That's NTP nonsense. That is nonsense. I am so bad, wallahi. I am bad so bad to see you with that tip boy, wallahi. What is that?
What am I doing? I'm editing a video. Can you see? Look at my system. Let me remove the hand this. I'm editing a video. Can you see? I'm editing a video on my system. That's what I'm doing. Meditating.
See, where Shema? Shema, that nonsense. Hello? Hey, I didn't tell you that you should not ever call this. If you ever call my sister, wallahi, I am going to carry cutlass. I am going to go with three of my brother and we are going to come and demarcation you inside your room. Don't you ever call my sister and hear me go? Can I see that them people doing work? Wallahi, if you ever call my sister, I am going to come and kill you inside. Hey, go inside. This phone, I am not going to give it. I am going to even remove that SIM card. I will remove the SIM card and I am going to break it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, that's the ending of that film. I need to do some touch up. Filter, yeah, filter. I always see filter, filter. This one I used yesterday. I dropped this and then it's down, drag it. Maybe you don't want to tell me where you're watching it from. Or you don't want somebody to know where you're watching from. It's okay. Mary says she will support me, and that's gonna be great.
I don't have one. How about you?
You're with your cat. You're with your cat. What's the name of your cat? Can I know the name of your cat? What is the name of your cat? Tell me the name of your cat.
Oh, Halima.
No, I don't have a cat.
She said,
I don't.
Assalamu alaikum.
Halima.
HB, na gaishe ka HB, she is fine. HB, she is beautiful. Wallahi, she is
WWW. I don't have a cat. Where are you watching me from? We've been chatting here since, and then me, I'm streaming here in Benue State, Nigeria.
no, seriously.
Amma dan Chibi, see, my friend, she is telling me something.
What's that?
She is saying that Chibi people are giving their wife to their friend.
May God grant your dream to become a YouTuber. Amen. Amen and amen. Thank you very much. And may God grant your heart desire too. Thank you so very much. I appreciate. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, if you're here, subscribe.
Fake news. Trust me now.
Guys, tell me where you're watching me from.
See, if you want to know the truth, marry me. Let's go to my place and let the person try it.
It means she is marrying you. Promising me that she is not giving me out to play.
See, we don't do that. Stop saying all this. We don't do that now. Stop saying all this. How can you say that we go and
I think she is not giving me out to play.
get shake here?
So I'm going to render this video. Yes, let me just render it and see what is going to happen. Mwamba, you've come again. Thank you for joining, guys. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It depends on where you're watching me from. You're welcome. Please, guys, if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe on this channel and see what we have. Skit 2 on 1. On 1 has to go space. Export. If you say I should say hi to one boy. Mary. Hello, Mary. You're welcome. Welcome, guys. Let's know where you're watching me from, guys. Let's know who is watching from where. Pam 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 pam. I wanted to drink this thing. This is cool, but I don't know what happened to it. May your dream of getting low subscribers come true. Amen. Amen. You know, I really want to get people that subscribe to my channel, and they are not just committed. They're not just subscribers. Subscribers that are committed, who are watching my videos. Yeah, that will engage. And since I started this YouTube, I've not gotten a member. So like those membership from people, I've not gotten that. So it's crazy. Nobody has taken the membership of this my YouTube. Yeah, I'm home. Home alone. Just home alone, yeah. I was trying to work here, but they took the light. So I just have to use the remaining battery on my system to just work on the video. Then from there, I know what to do next. Oh, thank you very much for subscribing, Mary. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Yeah. Thank you very much. Then when I set up my streaming studio, and when I have everything I want, and yeah, I know if I'm streaming there, it's gonna be better, and then so many things gonna happen. So for now, I don't have a streaming studio yet. So I'm gonna get a space out of this, staying at home, and look for a cool place where I can stream and then have interaction with my wonderful subscribers. Sorry guys, I had a call. So sorry guys, I had a call. Um, Calling from good to you. Who's calling from good to you? Thank you, man, for keeping me company. Mosquito one. Hiroshima one. What do you know that thing? Chelsea. Thank you for keeping me company. Yeah, somebody called me. Where I was here, somebody just called me. And just all those network people just called, so. What is it? This is it. So it could be on this shot. I didn't even say that from the video. Let me see. Someone just called. Yeah.
Chubby, chubby. Fired. Well, yeah. Wallahi, that Chibishi is fine. That Chibishi is beautiful. Well, yeah, that Chibishi is beautiful, wallahi. Sorry. 070.
Okay, 5.
Hey.
So what you say? Sincere with your mama. Everybody.
Well, you're daddy. Why you?
Yeah, I'll be calling you Halima.
They're calling me Alice.
Alice.
Mm.
No, because of your advice, sincere with your mama. Everybody.
Well, you're daddy.
Amen. Thank you.
Well, yeah.
Thank you. Amen. The very soon will become popular. Thank you. But let me know where you're watching me from so that I will say
Why
one
you?
day
Yeah, I'll be calling you Halima.
They're
I was
calling me
streaming,
Alice.
so
Mm.
Mary came and said that
Because
from
of your advice,
a
sincere
particular
with your mama.
country, part of the world.
Everybody.
Well, yeah. Wallahi, that Chibishi is fine. That Chibishi is beautiful. Well, yeah, that Chibishi is beautiful, wallahi.
The better video you make, the more popular you get. Yeah. You're right. The better video you make, the more popular you get.
No, but the Chibishi is fine. That Chibishi is beautiful.
What's happened? Alpha player. Are you a gamer, Alpha? No, I don't play. I don't know how to play game, so I can't play game. I don't know how to play game. Alpha, you're welcome. I'm editing my videos. I don't know how to play game, so I'm not a gamer.
Calling me Alice.
I will call you.
Well, yeah.
You know, if I know how to play game, then I would have done it. But I don't know how to play game. I'm not a gamer, man.
Because of your advice, sincere with your mama. Everybody.
Thank you for subscribing, Alpha. Alpha, let me see. Thank you for subscribing. Can I view your channel from here? Let me see. Okay. Alpha, let me see if I can subscribe to your YouTube channel. No, I will check you later. Then I will subscribe. There's no problem.
Chibishi is fine. That Chibishi is beautiful. Waya, dan Chibi na, dan Chibi, she is beautiful, wallahi. Waya, dan Chibi, she is fine. Dan Chibi, she is beautiful. Dan Chibi, she is, waya, daddy, she is beautiful, wallahi.
Bye-bye.
Because of your device to here with your mama. Never mind.
Waya, wallahi, dan Chibi, she is fine.
Please, what do you say? Please, what, my brother? After you say, please, what? Bye-bye.
Because of your device to here with your mama. Never mind.
Waya, wallahi, dan Chibi, she is fine. Waya, dan Chibi, she is fine.
Thank you guys for the like. Thank you for staying here with me. I really appreciate those of you who are watching me from everywhere. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you.
She is fine. And Chibi, she is beautiful. And Chibi, she is, when your daddy, she is beautiful, wallahi.
It's funny though. Oh God. This is a major problem that we have in Nigeria, some part of Nigeria. I don't think it's everywhere in Nigeria. Because sometimes when you are streaming and the next thing you need light, and the NEPA, those people just take light and you wait till they bring the light again, then you start continuing. So sometimes this thing normally affect our productivity, and sometimes you feel like it's killing your spirit. It's crazy. Video. Seriously, vai que há um seu corpo. Vai com a mão com a veio com a não vai chamar. Kuma konwe. Masone. Your mind being up. Only look as well. Maybe how much more.
You qual é a bisa
Ah. Na yeye mbawe kirega. Na wewe how much more. Mimi mfate maana hana ka. Hachi kwako. Kwa mhuma muhinki. You want to see the outside of my place? Yeah, that's the outside of my place. You want to see the outside of my place? I can bring my other phone and copy this thing out. Thank you. Here's my other phone. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? My phone, where are you? Where's my other phone? Hi. I don't want this system to go off. Where's the other phone? Maybe where are you streaming from? No, the phone is in the bedroom. It's not outside here. You think so? I was with it though. Look at it. I just found it. I want to copy something out from my system. So I just found it now. I just found it. Like on those cartoons, they say peekaboo. I found you. So now tell me where you streaming from? Where you watching me from? This one you are hiding your identity. You don't want to know. You don't want somebody to know where you're watching from. After here, I'll touch this system that we're gonna be midnight. Do you my ways I like I see they go. My ways, my ways, like I see they go. Like I see they go. Desktop. Desktop, you have to go to You're welcome, guys. I've spent almost 1 hour here. That's good. What name did I give you this last one? Does I give it one name. Let's see. What name did I give this kid now? Let me render it again. Alright, guys. See you some other time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. This Mary lady tried from me. She was here outro.